So, a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On the behalf of the Board of Management of Biopol Chemical Limited, it's my great pleasure to welcome all of you to this very beautiful day. And my name is Ankit Trisha. I'm going to be the host today. And ladies and gentlemen, today we are here for the official listing. But before we start, I would request all of you please stand for our national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Now, all of you can have a seat. And now, finally, it's time to begin. And for that, first of all, I would request Miss Vedant, Madam, please come over the stage. I request Vandan, Madam, please come over the stage. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, we have few special members here with us and we would like to hand them over few bouquets. So first of all, I would like to call on the stage our Honorable Mr. Avik Gupta, the Chief Manager of National Stock Exchange. So please come over the stage and let's give him a very big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to call on the stage our merchant banker, Mr. Parth Shah, the Managing Director of Smart Horizon Capital Advisor Private Limited. Please give him a very big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Now it's time to call Mr. Manoj Jajodia, the partner of MB Jajodia and Associates. Sir, please come over the stage. He is our statutory auditor. And now I would like to call Dayalal Prajapati, our CEO of Adhidhan Ventures Private Limited. Sir, please come over the stage. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now you can go have a seat. And we will start the listing, but we will start today's listing with our lamp lighting. And for the lamp lighting, I would like to call a few people on the stage. First of all, I would like to call Mr. Avik Gupta, the Chief Manager of National Stock Exchange. Mr. Parth Shah, the Manager Director of Smart Horizon Capital Advisor Private Limited. Mr. Manoj Jajodia, Partner MB of Jajodia and Associate. Dayalal Prajapati, the CEO of Adhidhan Ventures Private Limited. And with that, I would like to call Mr. Shantanu Sarkar, the Managing Director and the Chairman of Biopol Chemical Limited. Mr. Vedant Sarkar, Whole-Time Director of Biopol Chemical Limited, and Mrs. Vandan Sarkar, please come over the stage. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would request all of you, please give them a very big round of applause.
दीपं ज्योति परं ब्रह्म दीपं ज्योति जनार्दन दीपं ज्योति परं ब्रह्म दीपं ज्योति जनार्दन ए महादीपरे भरि दियो ठाकुरे ए महादीपरे भरि द्वादश ज्योतिर्लिंगर ज्योति द्वादश ज्योतिर्लिंगर ज्योति भक्त पाई ज्योतिर्मयी भक्त पाई ज्योतिर्मयी दीपं ज्योति परं ब्रह्म दीपं ज्योति जनार्दन दीपं ज्योति परं ब्रह्म दीपं ज्योति जनार्दन
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, today we are here for the official listing of Biopol Chemical Limited. But before we start, I would request all of you, let's give a very big round of applause for Team Biopoland. And we thank everyone so much for being here. And when it comes to Biopol Chemical Limited, it is a specialty chemical manufacturing focused on delivering performance-driven chemical solutions to the industry and institutional customers. Operating on a business-to-business model, the company develops and produces silicon-based chemicals, biochemical formulation, and polyester tailored for specific industrial application. Its biochemical and specialty formulations are designed to enhance performance, improve process efficiency, and support critical industrial functions across sectors. Each product category reflects technical depth and application focused on development. With manufacturing operations supported from Gujarat and West Bengal, Biopol has built its foundation on process discipline, technical understanding, and consistent execution. Backed by years of industry experience and structured operation approach, Biopol Chemicals now steps into National Stock Exchange Emerge platform, prepare for its next phase of growth. So please, let's give it up for Biopol Chemical Limited. And now, we will start with a very important speech by Mr. Rajat Chaudhary, our senior managerial person of Biopol Chemical Limited. Sir, I would request you please come forward and let's give a very big round of applause for Mr. Rajat Chaudhary.
Microphone. Good morning, and thank you for being here with us. Today is less about being seen and more about being understood. When you build a manufacturing business, days like this don't arrive suddenly. They arrive after years of ordinary mornings, opening the factory, checking batches, speaking to customers, fixing what didn't work the day before. Today, Biopol Chemicals Limited is here not because the timing felt right, but because the work finally felt complete, enough to be shared. This is not about a bell or a board screen. It is about a business that learned responsibility in stages. First to its products, then to its people, and now to public shareholders. We are thankful to the National Stock Exchange, Emerge team, and the regulators for creating a framework where such responsibility can grow with structure, and to our merchant banker, strategic partners, statutory auditors, and every member of the extended team who helped us reach this point with care and discipline. It began many years ago in 2005 when our promoter started operations as a sole proprietorship under the name United Chemical Company. Back then, the work was simple and demanding at the same time. Understand customer needs, make the product right, deliver consistently. That time taught us discipline, and that trust in our business is built one batch at a time. In April 2023, Biopol Chemicals Limited was incorporated. This was not a fresh start, it was a structural evolution. In September 2023, Biopol finally acquired the running business of United Chemical Company through a business takeover. With that, years of operating experience, customer relationships, and product knowledge became part of this company. This step was taken with clarity. If the business had to grow, it needed systems. If it needed systems, it needed structure. And if it needed structure, it had to move beyond an individual-led setup. We then became a public limited company under the name Biopol Chemicals Limited, taking a clear step toward working in a more open and responsible way. Today, Biopol operates as a specialty chemical manufacturing company serving industrial and institutional customers on a B2B basis. Our products fall across four broad categories: silicone-based chemicals, emulsifiers, biochemical products, and polyelectrolytes. These are not merely shelf products. They are the invisible essentials that enhance the world around us. From the soft finish of the textiles you wear and the durability of industrial coatings to the critical water treatment processes that sustain our communities, they are application-driven solutions supplied where consistency matters more than scale. Today, our manufacturing capacity is 18.25 lakh liters per annum, with operations across Gujarat and West Bengal, expanded gradually over time. Quality and safety were part of our work from the start. As the company grew, this was reflected in ISO certifications for quality, environment, and safety, and ZDHC certification for some of our products. These standards are followed in daily operations, not just recorded on paper. As we prepared for this listing, the focus was not only on numbers, it was on readiness. Our restated financials reflect operating continuity, profitability, and a positive net worth. More importantly, they reflect a business that has learned to grow within its limits. That discipline is what allowed us to meet SEBI and National Stock Exchange Emerge eligibility norms with confidence. This IPO is a fresh issue. It is not an exit. It is an invitation to participate in the next phase of a company that values control over speed and process over noise. Listing on NSE Emerge brings visibility, but it also brings accountability, and we accept that responsibility fully. Before I close, I want to acknowledge the people who made this journey possible, our employees who worked through change with commitment, our customers who stayed with us as the company evolved, our advisors and partners who helped us prepare correctly, and our families who supported the journey that demanded patience. Biopol Chemical stands here today with the quiet confidence that comes from having lived every part of the journey, not just the visible moments. We stand here today with a clear understanding of what it took to reach this point and an equally clear respect for what it will take to honor it. Thank you for sharing this moment with us. We look ahead with the same care and commitment that brought us here. Thank you very much.
So, thank you so much, sir. And after this very important speech of Mr. Rajat Chaudhary, now I would like to call another very important person for his very special speech. Now I would like to call Mr. Shantanu Sarkar, our Managing Director and Chairman of Biopol Chemical Limited. Sir, please come over the stage, and I would request all of you, let's give him a very big round of applause.
Okay, so we finally did it. Yeah? We did it. So, I have a written speech in front of me, but this august presence is prompting me to go beyond it and add from my own repertoire. Thank you very much to our merchant banker. This is okay, this is also okay. To our merchant banker, Mr. Path Shah and his team. I will thank the entire team by name in the vote of thanks part when it comes to me. It has been astounding success, very hard work. They delivered before we could even anticipate or really expect them to deliver. They delivered much before that. As a family, Biopol is truly indebted to also Manoj B. Jajodia and Associates, our auditors, who worked through day and night, advising us, leading us, guiding us, working with us, working for us to eventually show us this date, show us success. MBJ Associates, as we informally call them, Manoj Jajodia is sitting here, my best friend, my guide, mentor, also my younger brother. We are a family. We are a family. We intend to take this forward. If I'm not taking too much of time, I really don't know. This is my first time. So I will cut short. I really don't know. I'll cut short. Has been wonderful. His team has worked through day and night. They engaged our Biopol in-house team to learn work ethics, speed, delivery, commitments. We learned from MBJ Associates team the expert advice of Mr. Dayalal Prajapati, our strategic advisor. We cannot forget them ever. This is the day to start Biopol 2.0 under their command, their advice, their guidance. Now, I think I have spoken impromptu for more than what has been expected of me because I have to cut it short. Now I'll read it from the script. So good morning to all our guests. I've done it already, but again, good morning to all our guests, investors, partners, and well-wishers joining us today. As Biopol Chemicals steps into the public market, the conversation naturally shifts from who we are to what we have built to how we intend to grow from here. Our journey did not begin with the idea of listing. No, it did not. It did not begin with the idea of listing. It began much earlier when a small proprietorship United Chemical Company was started with the simple belief that belief continues to guide us today. And what is the belief? Quality compounds trust. Trust compounds loyalty. Loyalty compounds enduring growth. Very strong lines. At its core, Biopol's vision is straightforward. To manufacture chemical solutions our customers can rely on operationally, environmentally, sustainably, and over time. Biopol operates in a space where there is no room for variation. We manufacture and distribute specialty chemicals across silicones, emulsifiers, biochemicals, and polyelectrolytes, serving textiles, home care, agriculture, and industrial applications. इसको याद कर लेना because you are going to hear about this more and more as Biopol continues to grow. Today, our portfolio comprises more or less 66 products, 42 of which are ZDSC Level 3 certified. Now, ZDSC Level 3 certified is the highest certification globally, which is available for textile chemicals. Without this certification, one cannot export to North America and Europe. So these certifications, they are essential to how we operate and where we can compete. Our manufacturing facility, as has been highlighted earlier, has an installed capacity of 18.25 lakh liters per annum. During the period ended December 31, 2025, we operated at 87.27% capacity utilization, and in FY25 at 93.59% capacity utilization. This reflects disciplined demand management and not aggressive scale up. No, we do not do aggressive scale up. We do very judgmentally, after a lot of research, after hard work, and organically. Biopol is a B2B business built on long-term customer relationships, technical support, and repeat usage, and not volume chasing. No, we do not do volume changes. We are not into much. We are not much into commodities. We are into specialty and niche products, where, of course, the competition is less, and thereby the profit is relatively more. Let me speak plainly about performance. Now, these are data. These will be data which are boring facts, but then this is what it determines the strength of the company going forward. So, our revenue, I'll give you the data plainly, in plain language. Our revenue from operations grew from 1932.43 lakhs in financial year 23 to 4,912.84 lakhs in financial year 25, and stood at 4,884.44 lakhs for the period ended December 31, 2025. EBITDA increased from rupees 155.72 lakhs in financial year 2023 to 653.39 lakhs in financial year 25, and further to rupees 899.27 lakhs for the nine-month period ended in December 2025. PAT rose from 52.59 lakhs in FY23 to 433.01 lakhs in FY25, reaching 600.48 lakhs for the period ended December 31, 2025. As of December 31, 2025, our ROCE stands at 26.32%, ROE at 36.32%, and debt equity at 0.76 times, reflecting a business that grows without stretching its balance sheet. These numbers matter, not because they impress, but because they demonstrate scalable discipline. Ask yourself, in an industry where shortcuts tempt and volatility lurks, what truly builds lasting value? The answer is consistency. The answer is sustainability, compliance, and relationships that endure. Our vision is to be a reliable, compliant, and technically trusted partner. Our strategy follows that vision. Our strategy follows that vision and rests on 4 clear pillars. First, capacity with foresight. Not reckless expansion, but thoughtful preparation for tomorrow's demand. Second, product depth over product count. Deepening formulations in silicones and bio-based solutions align tightly with customer needs and stricter environmental standards. Third, compliance as a growth enabler. Compliance as a growth enabler is a very interesting line and a strong line. ZDSC level 3, ISO discipline, and 1 minute. Do I have 1 minute? And audit rigor are just not check boxes. They are passports to global markets. Fourth, geographic expansion, step by step, careful planning, building from trusted domestic strongholds in West Bengal and Gujarat to selective international horizons. I have some few moments to go, but I'm being asked by our anchor because the time is drawing. Thank you, gentlemen, for your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Please give him a very big round of applause. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would request all of you, please keep all of your focus on the stage because the moment we all have been waiting for is here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's finally time for our listing. And for that, I would like to call on the stage Mr. Avik Gupta, the Chief Manager of National Stock Exchange, Mr. Parth Shah, Managing Director of Smart Horizon Capital Advisor Private Limited, Mr. Manoj Jajodia, Partner of MB Jajodia and Associates, Dayalal Prajapati, the CEO of Adhidhan Ventures Private Limited, Mr. Shantanu Sarkar, the Managing Director and Chairman of Biopol Chemical Limited, Mr. Vedant Sarkar, Whole-Time Director of Biopol Chemical Limited, and Mrs. Vandan Sarkar. So, we all are here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the countdown. And 10, 9, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's give it up for Biopol Chemical Limited. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we can see, the listing is there. And it's time to check that what is on the screen. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we can see that the price is set up to 111, whereas we started with 108. That itself is a very big achievement for Biopol Chemical Limited. So let's give a very, very big round of applause for the company Biopol Chemical Limited. And congratulations to you, sir, and congratulations to all the members of Biopol Chemical Limited for this very big achievement. And thank you so much to all of you for being a part of this listing today. We are very, very grateful, and we are here and we celebrate, and we will love to announce that Biopol Chemical Limited is right now is a proud listed company of NSE, National Stock Exchange. So, before they leave, I would request all of you, let's give a very big round of applause for all of them. Thank you so much for being a part, and thank you so much for coming on the stage for our listing. Thank you so much, sir. Now, sir, I would request you to please complete your speech. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'm not sure they're bored enough. It is the It's a defect with the engineers. They speak a lot, actually. So I'm just taking it forward from where I left. Technology, data systems, and process automation will support this journey, but chemistry always remains a people-led science at Biopol. The listing is not an arrival. It is accountability at a higher standard. It brings with it discipline of disclosure, the responsibility of public capital, and the obligation to think long-term, every day. That is how we see our role as a listed company. To our investors, thank you for choosing preparation over promises. To our customers, thank you for valuing consistency over claims. To our team and families, thank you for standing steady through the quiet years and for believing in the brighter ones ahead. We move forward with clarity, with humility, and with unwavering intent. To our Biopol Chemicals will continue to grow carefully, compliantly, and correctly. That is our goal, that is our passion, and that is our motto. Thank you for your trust and for being part of this very, very important moment. Thank you again. Well done, all. We did it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And after this very important speech of Mr. Shantanu Sarkar, I would like to call on the stage our very special member, Mr. Avik Gupta, the Chief Manager of National Stock Exchange. Sir, please come over the stage and let's give a very big round of applause for him. And sir, before anything else, I would request you to hand over the mementos. And for that, you would like to give the mementos after your speech? Okay, yeah, please.
Shri Shantanu Sarkar, Chairman and Managing Director, Biopol Chemicals Limited. Shri Vedant Sarkar, Director, Biopol Chemicals Limited. Shri Parth Shah, Founder and Director, Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited, and all other dignitaries, employees, and family members present. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you for the listing ceremony of Biopol Chemicals Limited. Biopol Chemicals Limited is engaged in the manufacturing and distribution of specialty chemicals, which finds application across multiple industries, including textiles, home care, agriculture industry, chemicals, etc. NSE is proud to welcome Biopol Chemicals Limited to our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 713th company to list on the NSE Emerge platform. India is the fourth largest capital market in the world after US, China, and Japan. India's market capitalization has grown about 120 times in rupee terms since NSE started its operations in 1994, which stands at about 470 lakh crore, that is 5.20 trillion US dollar. NSE Emerge listed companies which have raised about 21,902 crores till date have a total market capitalization of about 2.28 lakh crore, and from today onwards, Biopol Chemicals Limited will be an integral part of it. The IPO of Biopol Chemicals Limited with an issue size of 31.26 crores garnered a good response. I congratulate the entire team of Biopol Chemicals Limited, the merchant bankers, Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited, and other parties associated in the IPO for their accomplishment. And today's successful listing is a testimony of their hard work. Today, NSE has over 11.3 crore unique registered investors having over 22 crore accounts, reaching 99.9% of all PIN codes in the country. That covers 20% of all households in India directly investing in the stock market today. NSE has become a global leader in IPO fundraising, having raised rupees 1.7 lakh crore through 268 IPOs in the financial year 2024, which is the highest amount of capital raised in the world. It is a testament to India's entrepreneurial growth and the trust of its people on its entrepreneurs. At NSE, we are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for the upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital market more accessible. We hope that today's successful listing of Biopol Chemicals Limited will inspire many more companies to look at the public markets as a promising alternative. We once again welcome Biopol Chemicals Limited to NSE. We hope that this listing day is a start of a strong partnership between us, and we look forward to supporting you in your future fundraising endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now, sir, I would request you please stay on the stage. And now it's time, sir, that I would request you to give the memento to few of our guests. So, first of all, I would like to call Mr. Shantanu Sarkar, the Chairman and Managing Director of Biopol Chemicals Limited. Sir, please come over the stage. Let's give a very big round of applause. Now, sir, after the bell icon, it's time to hand him over the memento and the certificate. Now, sir, I would request you to hand over the memento and the book to Mr. Shantanu Sarkar. Thank you so much, sir. And now I would like to call Mr. Parth Shah, the Managing Director of Smart Horizon Capital Advisor Private Limited. Sir, please come over the stage and let's give a very big round of applause for him. Now I would request Mr. Parth sir, please come on the stage, and sir, Mr. Avik Gupta, please stay on the stage to hand him over the memento. So I would request Mr. Parth Shah, please come over the stage. Now, sir, I would request you to hand over the memento to Mr. Avik Gupta, the Chief Manager of National Stock Exchange. Sir, please come over the stage. And let's give a very big round of applause for both of them. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would request that on the behalf of the company, Mr. Shantanu Sarkar, please come over the stage. And I would request Mr. Parth Shah, please stay on the stage. Now I would request Mr. Dayalal Prajapati, sir, please come on the stage. The CEO of Adhidhan Ventures Private Limited. Now I would request Mr. Manoj Jajodia, please come over the stage, the partner of MB Jajodia and Associates, and let's give a very big round of applause for him. Now I would request Mr. Parth Shah, please come for your speech.
Myself, Parth Shah, representing Smart Horizon Capital Advisors Private Limited. We are book running lead manager to the issue. This is our 71st listing ceremony. So I clearly remember the first call when we spoke to Mr. Shantanu. He was so clear with his basics and thoughts, and I would just like to give a timeline how things happened. We signed the mandate in July 2025. BRHP was filed in September 25. We got approval in December 25, and here we are listing it in February 26. All done in 7 months from the date of signing a mandate till listing. So I think results speak for itself. And as a merchant banker, one thing that differentiates us is the ratio of DRHP filing to successful listing. We have almost listed more than 95% of DRHPs filed and listed. So we're excited to report that offering achieved an overall subscription of 22.33 times, with NIB category subscribed more than 24 times, and overall 60 crores were garnered for a 32 crore IPO. We express our sincere gratitude to Mr. Shantanu, Mr. Vedant, an entire team of Biopol for standing with us in midnight hours, Mr. Dayalal, Mr. Manoj for being the backbone of the entire show. Listing wouldn't have been successful without investors who stood strong in difficult times. The total subscription received is clearly a testament to that, and listing at premium in such a difficult time, I would say it's a dream in itself for a lot of bankers. Sincere gratitude extend to our team at Smart Horizon, to our rockstar Harsh, starring with superstar Akriti, Vaibhav, Dhaval, Goranshi, Sajjan, Payal, Priyal, Divya, Mansi and Ankita from our smart team, the entire NSC listing and compliance team for ensuring that we receive timely approval. Mr. Avik, big thanks to you to ensure that the things happen, Parvati and the entire NSC compliance team. Lastly, thanks to all of you for attending and extending our significant support to the listing ceremony of Biopol Chemicals Limited. Thanks a lot. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir, for this very beautiful speech. And now, for our next speech, I would like to call our strategic advisor, Mr. Dayalal Prajapati, the CEO of Adhidhan Ventures Private Limited. Sir, please come over the stage.
Namaste and good morning to all. Some journeys start with very quietly, in very small meetings, in simple conversions, in decisions that feel important, even if the result is very far. There are many days when we knew where we want to reach, but we did not know how long it would take. In those days, belief keep us moving, trust keep us together, and opportunity ahead give us the energy to continue. Today, Biopol Chemicals stand here because the belief stays strong. I remember when we met first time at Ahmedabad, Manojji's office, with our very dear friend Tusarji. We have the very good breakfast of khaman and dhokla, our Ahmedabad specialties. And that time we met first time Santanuji and discuss how we can grow the companies, how we can raise the funds and all. And then suddenly we come to mind that our company should go for the IPOs. This is very way back, I think in 2019, I think. Then post-COVID, and then we started journey in very long back to conversion of the companies and preparing for the big move. When we started this journey, then I remember the day, 8:30 p.m. when we have the very good conversion with the family members of the Biopol. Very good conversions. Manojji was there, Madam was there, Sir was there, and entire family team, family members were there. And from that meetings, we believe that this journey is not easy journey for ourselves, but we have the faith and trust in our process, our work. So that belief actually comes together 2 days, and we standing here to ring the bell. The bell has just rang, and this achievement belongs to many hands, especially to the path by teams, our merchant bankers, Harsh, Akriti, the entire their execution teams, the faultless execution process from their sides, and the same equal efforts come from our statutory teams, Mr. Manojji and Rusita madams, Ashish, Kunal bhai, Jayendra. They did fabulous jobs to conclude these assignments on very short of times, with having the lots of obstacles, but yeah, on a meantime we close it very soon sides. So first I like to thank you Santanuji and Biopol family for their steady leadership and long-term visions. I thank you the entire team who had the hard works, preparation and disciplines made this possible. And to our investors, thank you for confidence in Biopols. Your trust, strengthens our responsibility. Santanuji's 30-year journey has reached a new milestone today. Again, he rightly said that this is the new Biopol 2.0, and from here the Biopol move forward to create even a stronger futures. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. And now finally, it's time for our mementos distribution, and for that I would like to call on the stage Mr. Shantanu Sarkar, the Managing Director and Chairman of Biopol Chemicals Limited. Let's give a very big round of applause for him. And ladies and gentlemen, we will begin with our very honorable guest, Mr. Avik Gupta, the Chief Manager of National Stock Exchange. Sir, please come over the stage and let's give it up for him. Thank you so much. And now I would like to call on the stage Mr. Parth Shah, our merchant banker from Smart Horizon Capital Advisor Private Limited. Sir, please come over the stage and let's give a very big round of applause for Parth Shah, our Managing Director of Smart Horizon Capital Advisor Private Limited. Thank you so much, sir. Now it's time to call Mr. Harsh Thakur from Smart Horizon Capital Advisor Private Limited. Sir, please come over the stage. Now I would request Mr. Dhaval from Smart Horizon Capital Advisor Private Limited. Please come over the stage. Now it's time to call Mr. Dayalal Prajapati, our Strategic Growth Advisor, and from Adhivan Ventures Private Limited. Sir, please come over the stage. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Mr. Manoj Jajodia, our Statutory Auditor from MB Jajodia and Associates. Let's give a very big round of applause for him. Now I would like to call on the stage Mr. Krunal Kriplani from MB Jajodia and Associates. Sir, please come over the stage. Now I would like to call Mr. Tushar Mishra from MB Jajodia and Associates. Please come over the stage. I would request Mr. Ashish Jansaria from MB Jajodia and Associates. Sir, please come over the stage. Now I would request our banker from ICICI Bank, Mr. Ayan Banerjee, please come over the stage. Oh, okay, sir. So we'll move forward, and now it's time to call on the stage Mr. Apurva Malik. Please come over the stage, Mr. Apurva Malik. Now I would request Mr. Alok Goswami, please come over the stage. Mr. Alok Goswami. Okay. Now I would request Mr. Tushar Sangvi, please come over the stage. Now I would request Mr. Ramesh Ghadge, please come over the stage. Now I would request Mr. Prabeen Kokate, please come over the stage. Mr. Pramod Barange, so please come over the stage. Now finally, I would like to call Mr. Keval Krishna Vij. Sir, please come over the stage and let's give an actual very, very big round of applause for him. Now I would request Mr. Devojit Mazumdar, please come over the stage. Now I would request Mr. Pravin Tagai, sir, please come over the stage. Now I would request Mr. Chirodeep Mukherjee, sir, please come over the stage. So that was all with the mementos. So before I let sir go, I would request all of you, please give a very, very big round of applause for Mr. Shantanu Sarkar, our Managing Director and Chairman of the company. And congratulations, sir, for being a proud, proud, proud lister at NCA, National Stock Exchange. A very big congratulations, sir. And yeah, I would request all of you, please give him a standing ovation. He deserves it today. A very big congratulations, sir. And sir, I would request you only, because you are the main person, the chairman of the company. So I would request you only to give the thank you note to everyone. The mic is all yours. And again, a very big congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, So, vote of thanks. I don't know everyone to thank, actually. So many people. I really am at a loss of words for thanking too many people. Too many people have supported us in this journey, taking it forward. So, but I have to start somewhere. And of course, to start with, who other than NSC? Coming? Am I audible? Yes. Okay. I want to thank NSC Emerge, led by Mr. Abhik Gupta, who has been very supportive in guiding us through the listing process. Thank you very much, sir. Words cannot express how happy and how thankful I am to the Smart Horizon team led by Mr. Parth Shah, Mr. Harsh Thakur, Akriti, and Gorangshi ma'am, and so many others. All the entire team, they have been working so hard. They have been guiding us so much. They have been, when our chips were down, they encouraged us to lift it up, lift our shoulders once again, and keep trying at it, and we did it. So thank you from the core of the heart, sir. Smart Horizon, let's give it up for Smart Horizon team. The entire matter of listing would not have been possible without one person who is my mentor, my guide, my teacher, as well as my younger brother. Let us please give it up for Mr. Manoj B. Jajodia. Not only did he lead us, but he taught us. He taught us. He's an all of you are requested to take his advice. He is an extremely good teacher. He breaks it down so nicely and effortlessly and with 500% honesty. Very, very honest person. He taught me. He gave me the confidence that we can we can go public. And yes, under his leadership and guidance, and merchant bankers' leadership and guidance, and our in-house team, and Mr. Dayalal Prajapati, our strategic advisor, we finally are seeing this day. Thank you, sir. When I have just mentioned Manoj sir. Manoj sir team is an excellent team. And we are learning every day from the team. Ashish Jaisansaria, the engine behind the maybe the engine. The engine is Manoj sir, but the second engine is Ashin Jaisansaria, effortless worker with a lot of commitment, lot of integrity, lot of honesty and complete command over the subject. At times we used to really, Ashish, forgive me for saying this, but at times we used to get really annoyed at you. For want of a better word, really annoyed with you. But it's only because of your pushing us are we seeing this day. Tushar from the team, an excellent hard worker, very clear in his views, supported us going forward tremendously, traveled so many times to Kolkata just for adjusting small, things in the books. He understands this better than me. Thank you, Tushar. Kunal Bhai, how can I forget him? Kunal Bhai is the sweet shell of MBJ Associates. He is very sweet from the outside, from the inside, and he is an workaholic and does his job pretty well. We are learning so much from Mr. Kunal as we go forward. Thank you so much, Kunal bhai. Jayendra, who is not here, he made me work really hard during those initial DRHP days. Thank you, Jayendra. Please pass on my love and best wishes to him. He's a good man. Our in-house Biopol finance and accounts team, they have done extremely well. They have worked, they have slogged till the wee hours of the morning, working on this, making it happen. Many times they used to get hammered by me because I am a very impatient man, which is another of my vices. But they really did a tremendous job. How can I forget the efforts put in by Mr. Sandeep Chaudhary, our CFO. Sandeep, well done. Well done. And I am sure with Biopol 2.0, you will do even better. Subradip Mohanto, the general manager. He is also an accounts senior hand. He worked across many disciplines in the finance, in accounts. In meeting both of them, in the marriage between the finance and accounts team, and otherwise in a all-rounder job, he played better than Kapil Dev. I am thankful to you, Subradip. Lily madam, a part of very, very important part of the team, managed so much of documentation, such big hordes of papers she was doing constantly throughout the day and even to the late hours of the night. I am grateful and I am sincerely thankful to you. Our new addition, Biplab, I am also very much thankful to you. You did your job perfectly. Well done, Biplab, and well done, well done. To all my friends and colleagues in Biopol who are not in the accounts and finance team, it is a moment to cherish. It is you who have taken the company thus far. Without you, we could not have done it. Thank you to everyone, right from Rahul, our help in the office, to the R&D person, to the production head, to the production people, to the shift people, to the last worker. I am thankful to each of them, because without them, we are nothing. But boys, this is the time to party, yeah, but also to work twice as hard in Biopol 2.0. Otherwise, Parth sir will not leave me, and also Jajodia sir. If I have left, and our dealers, our strategic, our partners, our channel partners, our clients, we thank you from the core of our heart. Without you, we could not have done it. You've been very supportive, our dealers, our channel partners, our buyers, consultants. Without you, we wouldn't have been able to do this. Thank you, big thank you. To my family, last but not the least, thank you. My beautiful wife Vandan, my son, my handsome son Vedant, and my special Hemu, my daughter. She's challenged, but she is my princess. So, thank you. Thank you. Without their support, without the support of my family, without the support of my wife, she spent behind the curtain letting me work. Vedant siding with me, working with me, giving me competition when perhaps I'm down, which I am rarely down. I'm not very down. I'm always positive. So, but then when he is down, I helped him. So I did something for him. And yes, I think family, I'm very thankful to. If I have missed anyone in this Thanksgiving vote, please excuse me. It is entirely my fault and my memory of aging years that I have maybe missed out on several names. But please note that my heart is with you all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Umesh ji, our Umesh ji standing on far right, source of my inspiration. He always encourages, criticizes, constructs, destroys Shiva, yeah? Construction and destruction, but he is a masterpiece, a very good man. You are a good man. Please. Thank you, Trisha, for hosting such a nice event. Thank you all the crew, all of them. Thank you, Raunak. I'll not thank anymore because by the time the food will get cold. Okay. Thank you for coming, sir.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we close today's event, I would request all of you, let's give a standing ovation to all of our special members, special guests who have been here, and for yourself also, that you have taken out such an important time from your daily life just to be here with Biopol Chemicals Limited. So let's give a standing ovation and a very big round of applause for all of you and for all of our special guests. Thank you so much for being here. And with this is me, Anka Trisha, signing off. Thank you so much. It was amazing having all of you here. Thank you so much.